In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft audio not working. Now first what you want to do is go into the game and go to Options, Music and Sound, and make sure you have turned it all the way up. In here, make sure device is set to system default, and then you can press done and done. Now in here what you want to do is hold down your F3 button and press T, and this should happen. It's gonna reload. Now if this doesn't reload, what you can do is hold down F3 and press S, but for me it's just gonna take a screenshot. It depends on what kind of version you're using in Minecraft. So hold down F3, try and press T, and then try F3 and S and see which one works for you. Now after you've done that, if it still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here, right click, go to Sounds, Playback, and make sure you have the correct device set as default. Now this is my audio device, so I press set as default, and this will be my default device. Another thing you can do is come here, go to Open Volume Mixer, Minecraft, and make sure it's turned all the way up. Now if it's still not working, what you can do is come down here and search for Device Manager, click here, go to Audio Inputs and Outputs, find your audio. This is mine. If you don't know which one, just update all of these, right click on it and update the driver. Now once you've done that, if it's still not working, the last thing you can try is you can simply try and reinstall Minecraft. So come here and go to Apps and Features, search for Minecraft, and in here you want to press on both, uninstall, and then reinstall it. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.